finally admitted. Are you okay?
As if something bites me.
Hey, thank God somebody finally admitted. Are you okay?
As if something bites me.
Sorry, finally somebody admitted that my village is civilized. Not unlike some people that come from one kind bush girl like that.
Wait, you're calling me a bush girl. You're calling me a bush girl because you raised this your village.
You're a bush girl that I went to your village and picked you from there.
It's not your fault.
Jesus. Why is this woman face like a monkey?
You're a bush girl. Everybody knows you're a bush girl.
Because I praise your